Let's talk about logarithmic growth. Logarithmic growth curves model anything that increases quickly in the beginning, but then tends to slow down over time. So that's what's shown in this curve to the left on your screen. It starts to flatten out as you go to the right. So let's think of some examples that you've probably seen before in real life that could be represented by logarithmic growth. Here's one: fitness and strength training. So when people start to lift weights, in the beginning, they make big gains, big improvements, but over time, they have to work really hard to push more weight. Literacy: when children learn how to read in the beginning, they soak things up very quickly. They're like little sponges. But the older we get, it takes a lot more effort to increase our vocabularies. Learning a foreign language is like this. You can see it's very similar to literacy, that it takes a lot of work once you become more fluent in a language to start making big improvements. Learning a musical instrument, pretty much any hobby that you've ever had to learn is going to be modeled by logarithmic growth, because in the beginning, improvements happen very quickly. But the better you get at it, for example, professional musicians have to work a lot harder to make improvements. Weight loss is a great example. If you've ever gone on a diet, at first you may shed pounds very quickly, but the longer you do it, the body starts to hold on to weight more and people tend to plateau. So these are all real life examples of logarithmic growth. And I'm sure you can think of thousands of other examples that you've experienced in your own daily lives.